Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, this is Drishti Vohra. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to fill in your brows and get this natural finish. It's the most requested video. A lot of people have asked me, how do my brows look super natural all the time? I literally don't do anything. I just use one product and that is it. It's super affordable. Again, I don't go with high-end brands for you guys. So I'm going to show you something with a super affordable product. And if you are someone who is struggling doing their brows, then don't forget to watch this video till the end, because I have given a step-by-step tutorial for you all. And as you all know, my channel is all about beginner makeup, and if you are someone who is just starting out makeup, then subscribe to my channel right now and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Alright, so I'm just gonna zoom you guys in so that you can see clearly what I do with my brows. So you need to have freshly groomed eyebrows, and you cannot be working on a canvas with overgrown hair. So just make sure you get your brows done before doing this step. And the first thing that we'll be doing is brushing our brows with a spoolie. We have to do it in the upward direction, and then you go according to how your hair growth is. We'll be going in with this brow gel from Swiss Beauty. It's the eyebrow and gel liner. So this product retails for rupees 3.99. So you also get a flat brush with this, which is definitely a really good thing, because you don't have to invest in an eyebrow brush separately, and you can just go in with the brush that they've given. So I'm just gonna shape my brows from the bottom first with a very light hand. See how the shape is looking. So we will get rid of these lines here once we start filling it in. So I'm gonna do the same for my other eyebrow as well with a very light hand. So since I've already shaped my brows, now I'm just going to be filling them in. Pick up a lot of product and start filling in from the back and not from the front. Otherwise, they will look boxy and not real or natural. So make sure you start filling in from the back. Get rid of all the sparse areas. Brush your brow with the spoolie ones so that whatever hair is there can settle down. So to get rid of the sparse areas over here, I'm just gonna fill this in. Stroke it upwards. Now with the help of a spoolie, start spreading the product, and it's done. You can see the difference. They look so natural. At the same time, it looks very good and filled in. It does not look fake. So we'll do the same with the other eyebrow. So you guys see how my face looks all put together, and it just gives definition to your face. So make sure you do your brows, because that's, even if you don't do your makeup, you can just do your brows and still look decent. And that's exactly what I do. If I have to go out, I just don't take my naked brows. I always fill them in, and even if I don't put makeup, I just do my brows. So guys, that's it for today, and I hope you guys learned something from this tutorial. It was a super duper easy tutorial for all the people who are just learning makeup. And as you all know, my channel is all about beginner makeup, and I'm just gonna teach you guys that first and then move on to professional makeup. So yes, this is what you do for your brows. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, then do let me know in the comments below. And if you have any suggestions, then again, please comment, and I would love to read your suggestions and create videos around that. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back soon with more such videos. Bye.